Hey guys, Josh here. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the background from any image at all on your Mac completely free. Let's go. Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to find the photo you're interested in removing the background of. In this case, I've got a photo of myself, and then you want to select the photo, right click the photo. Make sure you're on the latest version of macOS, by the way. Right click the photo and go all the way down to quick actions. And under quick actions, you can select remove background. So just select that and give a second, and there you go. Completely free. And look at that, it did a very good job taking out the entire background. I'll just compare that with the old one. Old, new, old, new. Perfect. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that and have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye.